Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a coconut cake, and to start I have my favorite boxed cake mix here, which is just a moist white cake, and I'm going to customize it with Amoretti's coconut cream extract. The reason I'm using this extract is because it has a very low use level, so we can go into the batter without affecting any of the texture or the consistency of the cake, but you still get that full flavor of the coconut. I'm going to weigh the cake batter, and I'm going to separate it into the 3 pans. Okay, so I'm going to bake these in a 350 oven for 20 minutes, and then we can build the cake. All right, so I have the finished cakes here. They are baked, cooled, and now I'm going to make the filling. So I'm going to use pastry cream, for which you will find a link below. And I'm going to add some whipped cream to that. And then I'm going to customize the filling with our natural coconut cream compound. This compound is loaded with super concentrated fresh coconut cream, which will give you the aroma and the taste of fresh coconut. Now I've added some gelatin to this pastry cream. You can find the method for that in the link below. Okay, so I'm going to start adding the filling to the cake. Going to build it right here on the plate. All right, so now this is going to chill for about 30 minutes, and then I will put the icing on the outside and we'll cover it with some coconut. All right, so I have some Swiss buttercream frosting here. I'm just going to put a light coat of frosting on this cake so that we can then press the coconut into it. All right, so now that this is frosted, I'm going to add the coconut. And then you just press the coconut onto the sides of the cake. This is the fun part, making a mess with the coconut. And there you have a nice coconut cake. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do decide to make this recipe, please take a picture of it and make sure you tag us on social media. You can reach us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell below to never miss a recipe, and sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, our discounts, and our giveaways. See you next time.